Awesome, awesome, awesome. When the biryani is so good, you got to enjoy life. Let's enjoy this awesome egg steamed biryani, and it is perfect. The egg pieces have a nice flavor. You got to enjoy this flavorful rice. These egg cubes, they are nice, full flavor. Hello. Namaste, Salam Alaikum, Sat Sri Akal. Welcome back to another session with your Vahchef, and today we're going to make rice cooker steamed egg biryani. See, steamed egg can be cut into nice squares like paneer and all that, and it usually tastes really good if you know how to make it perfect. First, we're going to add the ingredients other than the eggs first. So in this, we're going to add a little bit of chopped mint. Do not add too much, little bit should be good enough. Add a little bit of biryani masala. For the eggs, always to remove that little bit of fishy aroma, you always add a little bit of crushed pepper, and also you can add some green chilli. In this biryani masala, pepper, green chilli, mint, add a little bit of water, salt. Always remember the egg naturally has some salt in it, so always add little less, and then mix it, then break one after another. How many of our eggs you want. I'm going to add 5 eggs for this. So, 2 of us can enjoy these eggs. Whisk all of the eggs. Now, the egg mixture has that nice biryani aroma. In this, if you want, you can also add some fried onion. Take any container and pour the eggs in this, and then we're going to steam this mixture in the pan. Take some water in a pan and put this in there and put the lid on, and let it cook for exactly 8 minutes. When it starts boiling, and you will have a nice egg cake ready, which we're going to cut into pieces. After few minutes, look at that, the eggs have become perfect. Switch off the flame, let it rest for few minutes. We're going to cut this afterwards, but in the meantime, let's make the masala for the biryani. See, there's so many techniques. You can do one biryani every day, and even after 1 year, you will have a new biryani if you're watching our show. So let's make this. So we're going to leave it here. First, let's make the masala for the biryani. Here, I've taken around 2 cups of rice. So just for the flavoring, bay leaf, cardamom, clove, mace, cinnamon, and it's up to you if you want to add more of these masalas. Add a little bit of Shai Jeera. In this, mint, some chopped coriander, freshly crushed ginger and garlic. Not too much, a little bit of. Always use freshly ground ginger and garlic. You have seen it before. You know how to cook this, right? 2 cups of rice, 4 cups of water. So mix salt and water. Make sure it is like slightly sea salt, not too much salty. This is going to make your rice perfect for biryani. I'm going to make a masala, which I'm going to put on top of this when this is all cooked. But the egg is all ready. I'm going to show you how to cut into pieces and make this super perfect. So put all of this into the rice cooker. Just 1 teaspoon of oil. Switch on the rice cooker. Once the rice absorbs most of the moisture, we're going to add the masala. Look at this. All we got to do is just turn it upside down. Because I use a banana leaf, this will be perfect. This is steamed egg. You can cut it to the size you want. And we have this nice, the biryani masala, everything. So your guest will be surprised how wonderful you have done this, and when they have the biryani, there will be questions to talk about. This is what I always tell people: whenever you are cooking for a party in your house, make recipes that will be the point of conversation. So this is going to be the point of conversation for the party today. This trick you guys have seen if you are watching my videos regularly. Now I'm going to take some butter. In this, add biryani masala, but do not add too much. Just 1.5 teaspoon of biryani masala, the leftover mint leaf, coriander leaf, and mix this nice. If you want, you can also add a little bit of salt to this. This is good. We are going to pour this on the top after much of the moisture is absorbed. But you're going to see how wonderful and perfect this is going to come out. Now there is another masala we need to do with the onions to give this awesome flavors. Now we are going to brown the onions. If you have brown onions, it is well and good. Otherwise, we are not going to use the oil here. This oil is only for frying. After that, we are going to just remove the onions and add to this. So first, in this, add some onions and fry them till they are nice and golden. See, I have removed the oil also. Just I wanted the onions to be slightly brown. In this, we are going to add a little bit of garam masala powder, some coriander, and add some yogurt. Do not add too much. Add a little bit of chilli powder. That biryani masala, real flavor is coming now. Take this egg pieces, just put in this, switch off the flame. We are going to put these egg pieces on top of this rice when most of the moisture is gone, along with the biryani masala. The rice is ready, full flavorful and perfect. Still few more minutes to be cooked, and in this we are going to add our saffron, water, the biryani and the butter masala. So this one just spread on top. Just this biryani masala with the butter. As soon as you add to this, it will melt away. Here is the egg cubes. See, we have made onions, the egg cubes, everything. Just add all of this here. This has got the nice curd and everything flavor. Nice egg cube biryani is ready. Put the lid on and let it go off by itself. Later, we are going to mix it and we are going to serve it with an excellent raita. Once you put them in the rice cooker, with the heat, they will puff up like little ones. Look at them. So, look at them. They are nice and puffed up, the egg cubes. Slowly, they will shrink back to normal. So, look at them. They will go back to the regular shape. So, now what all you need to do is just take the rice, mix it. And you will see the nice colors, the white, the brown onion, brown, and little bit of saffron color, everything. And the masalas, everything will get mixed. And this is ready to serve, and you will have a perfect biryani. Only thing is handling the rice, and you will have this perfect biryani. I want you guys to see how perfect the rice is with these egg cubes. When you are dropping this rice, look how nice and fluffy. Even in any other method you cook, it is difficult to get this perfect rice. Along with this and with the egg cubes, this will be super biryani. The egg biryani has got a totally new look, and look at these beautiful cubes. Dear friends, when the biryani is so good, you got to enjoy life. So let's enjoy this awesome egg steamed biryani, and it is perfect. The egg pieces have a nice flavor with little bit of this raita, and you got to enjoy this flavorful rice. Rice, such an amazing thing. A lot of people, when I was in US, how can you guys eat rice every day? We don't eat just rice. We eat the rice that has been amazed by our own recipes. These egg cubes, they are nice, full flavor, and nice, hot and perfect. So along with raita, make these amazing recipes with rice. You can make every day one new recipe for rest of your life. That many rice recipes you can create. Dear friends, keep cooking, keep saying vareva, share these videos with your friends, and enjoy awesome biryanis and awesome pulavs. Awesome, awesome, awesome. Watch another Wow Magic with Chef Mani.
Hello, Vanakkam Namaste, Salam Alaikum, Sat Sri Akal. This is your junior Vahchef Manikantan. Today I am going to make a very simple and quick, the basic watermelon carving. Let's start.